It's time for 2 minutes by my watches. Hello everyone, today's short video is about why you should cut the second pass on your natos. On a 2-pass nylon strap, the watch is raised above the wrist, you will have to deal with the length excess, and finally the buckle is not going to be centered under your wrist. There is a very easy way to improve all of this, which requires only 2 simple things: scissors and a lighter. So you have to cut the little nylon part near the stitching, leave around, I would say, 2 millimeters. I use stitching scissors for more precise work. Nylon is basically plastic, so if you heat it with a lighter flame, you will see it melting. But if you do nothing, it's not going to feel very good on your skin. The trick is to flatten the melted nylon-plastic with your thumb. Flatten it from your future skin location to the remaining strand, so the plastic will feel soft on your wrist skin. And the job is done. Feeling is good on my skin and the watch stands more closer to my wrist. I really prefer my nylon strap as single pass. It's more comfortable for me. And this goes to trash. For those who like to strap natos in order to secure their watch from falling, remember that it also perfectly works with your new single pass straps. And last but not least, the buckle is now centered and the length excess is not anymore located on the viewable side of the wrist. As usual, please consider liking, comment, subscribe, blah blah blah. Bye!